So somebody left a water hose dripping on a dock, and the manatees are up here just drinking away. There's another one right down there. They're pretty docile.
You might be a spoiled pig when Daddy holds the umbrella for you in the rain. She had to go pee-pee.
والله استانس هو اتوقع هيك خلاص ما بده يفطر خلاص.
Let's go. Let's go.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh my God.
Are you doing it again? Do you need me to open the gate? Okay, hold on.
I think that we learned a lot from each other. I think I learned a lot about myself also. Everything's just been like turned around now.
Go to sleep.
Did she put it in?
All right.
Well,
Move.
thanks for putting it away.
So
Good job.
Good. You little. Quit wiping my kisses off. Ooh. Beep, 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 beep. Ooh. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Ooh. Beep, 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 beep.
High five. Boop. Can I have a COVID? COVID? Can I have a achoo? Can you speak?
What's up, buddy? Hey, I don't have any food. Are you me?
We've got one cat who's in the closet in the second bedroom over there. The other one lost all its brain cells, I guess.
You're not enjoying himself.
Wait. It's covered. Oh no, I'm sorry, baby.
Poor little rinse bleach.
Went into the church for 2 seconds to have a little chit chat. Come to my egg bites sitting on my seat with a big old bite scrape taken out of it. That's a bad boy.
Relationship compromise. I will allow it. What? I have no recollection of my emotions.
Big wheels keep on turning, primary keep on burning, rolling, rolling.
Are you hungry? Hi, sweet baby. Hi, are you hungry? Okay, hi. Okay, hey.
It never gets old. Ever.
If you could promise me 2 more doozies, I would take them in a heartbeat. Hugs are so.
Oh, he's really going.